Alright, it's 12:10 p.m. Leaving the tree as we are going to attempt to record one of these greedy birds, which I think, once again, could be a cowbird, could be starlings, I'm not sure. Oh, well, it was out here. Well, I don't know. I might just go ahead and resume the position that I was at. Looks like the chickens have gone on their merry way, so alright. This is kind of a neat little canopy area that I have set up right here for station number 2. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Nice little shade spot. Oh, the chickens are still back there, so yeah, I was quite surprised to have heard a cricket in the background of last night's recording, one of them. Oh yeah, we got blue jays up here now. They snuck in while I was back there. Ah, there we go. And yep, as soon as I pointed the camera towards him, shoom, off he went. Smart birds. Smart animals, for the most part. They let me know when they don't like the camera. I'm telling you. I don't know if it's because it's sending out some kind of frequency or signal that they pick up on, or what the case may be, but once again, all I have to do is many times lock on to an animal, and as soon as they see this device in my hand, man, oh, of course, I walk away, and we had birds fly right up there to the canopy of, you know, blue jays back there. I just walked away from that. Smart birds. And always watching. You know, that's... You know, shoot, 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 shoot. Off he goes, flying over this way. More than likely we'll come up for some seed momentarily. Because I know that... Oh, they know there is seed that's been applied. Kind of crouch down here. Yeah, I'll wait for any excitement to brew. Let's see if we can get a visual on this. You seeing what I'm seeing there? What a strange marking to be seen on a tree. Well, don't know if we got a clear shot of them or not, but we got a flutterby. Finally able to capture one of these black and blue ones. It just keeps hovering that same location there. Come on over this way. I could sneak right up on it, but I don't think that's going to be too much of a possibility. No, it's already. Oh, yeah, back in here. Okie dokie. Huh. Well, it just flew up to me. I didn't realize it was. Huh. Okay, where'd you go, Mr. Flutterby? Yeah, these things are already disappearing on us. Well, snuck right up alongside of me and I missed the goober. Or at least missed getting a decent recording of it. Huh. You know, okay. Oop. I was playing a game of cat and mouse here. Oh, off it goes. It'll probably come back this way, but okay, now we got the big old bumblebee here. Okay. Now where did the flutterby go? Oh my, we got something else that we can scope on. Yeah. Let's go ahead and I gotta be careful because I don't want to step on any little baby critters of any sort out here. But okay. So where is Mr. Spider? Pretty cool looking nest. I know one thing. we're gonna have quite a bountiful berry harvest this year, unless something should go awry severely. Yeah, we got just they're coming on strong. I love it. So cool. Well, it's 12:30 p.m. and we are at station number 1. And this guy, just kind of crouched down here, and this guy is right on my leg. Right, yep. He's wanting some scritchings. Oh, we just had a bird fly over. Seeing his shadow. Hmm. Oh, hey, and there's our flutterby that just butterflied on by. Okay, I guess I gotta resume paying some attention to this little guy on my lap. Just a couple of flies, that's all. Okay, so yeah, blue jay just flew up right back here. And will it go for cat food or come over this way? Where is he? I can't see it in my screen. Just sitting there just debating on what to do. Might be a cat down eating right now. Oh, going over to feeding station number 3. Oh, and that one. I don't know, but oh, I know there's one that just flew up here. I might have lost track of that one, and whether it was the same one or not, I don't know. And I even thought that the cardinal would come up. I have not seen nor heard any signs. Yeah, okay, so we got a couple of blue jays that's popping around back here. And even from where I'm at, I can see that big old bumblebee. Well, it's just an irritating sound. Man makes terrible sounds, you know. Yeah, I still enjoy it out here. I don't care. I can overlook the noise pollution. It's a beautiful day out here. What are you doing? Huh? Huh? You want some more seed? Alright, I guess. Seeing as how you guys are tracking me down. Hang tight, we'll get some more seed. Come on, come on, let's go. All right, come on, come on, let's go. Oh, come on. Like I said, the animals just follow me around anymore. All right, come on, let's keep going. We got quite the walk to do. Coming through, Muggsy. Come on, come on, guys. Come on. Yeah, we got some more. Okay, come on, let's go. We're backtracking. Okay, come on, come on. All right. Yeah, so we are over 15 minutes long now. So, and now I'm ready for my lunch. Okay, all right. Okay, let's keep going. Gotta go out here to the feeding ground. Okay, here we are, ladies. Okay, come on. We got everybody here. All right, here we go. There we go. And while I'm thinking about it, so my new neighbor got a hold of me, knowing that I do YouTube content. She gave me a wireless microphone to attach to my phone to possibly enhance audio quality, but I think I'm going to actually hold on to that because I actually need to get a new phone. The port to this phone, the USB or power charger port. Come on, there you go. Come on, buddy. Yeah, it's pretty wore out, so I need to replace the phone. Not looking forward to doing that though. Alright, let's just go ahead and scatter the rest out for you. There. You're welcome. Okay, and I just had where to go. Anyways, I just had a butterfly right over my head, and I believe it was more likely the yellow and black one. Really cool. I'll see you later, ladies, later. Yeah, I think I'm going to get out of Dodge and head on for the hills. Run to the hills. Oh, yep. Well, let's see. Did it fly off? Anyways, as I was walking up, we got a small engineer plane flying someplace out here now. I don't think I'll be able to make it quick enough. Nope. I swear I can hear it flying off already, but yeah. Anyways, I guess we can go ahead and do a quick viewing of this out here. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Are we on focus? And now that I've lost it, yeah, it's still up here. I did not. Well, anyways, we were still able to capture it, sort of somewhat, off in the distance. So yeah, much akin to yesterday, you know, we've got all this sporadic type spraying that's been happening here. And yeah, swallows high in the sky, circling about. Sounds like we got another airplane over this way. But yeah, I think I will go ahead and close this out, as I need to get something to eat. It's not good. Oh, yeah. So I come walking up, and right away, even though the camera didn't see it, I did. There was a couple of blue jays that was back here under the canopy, going after the cat food. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to get while the getting's good. Yeah, I can see all kinds of movement taking place back here now. Oh yeah, they're on top of the cat structure. Okay, so maybe we will go ahead and try to sneak up. Oh. I can hear it. I bet I spooked it when I stepped on the branch. Sounds like the chickens have taken off. Oh, those are other chickens. Yeah, our group is right here. There's other chickens that's cackling. Oh, okay, so will it come back down? There it is. There's one of our culprits right there. Okay, yeah, we got, like I said, another airplane flying over. I don't know. Yeah. That one actually sounded like it might have flown pretty much over my head. Kind of quite the breezy day to be out cruising the skies, joyriding, if you will. I imagine there'd be quite the turbulence, quite a few pockets of air. Oh yeah. I'm gonna pause this, wander back up, provide an ending. I have a late lunch I need to eat because I have not been eating much. Haven't been able to lift, so I haven't been just food does not. Food does nothing for me if I'm not lifting, if I'm not exercising, you know. Unfortunately, I've been dropping weight again, and But this has been the roller coaster ride throughout my life as far as working out on and off, on and off. Always something interrupts the whole process at large, and I don't like the light weight that I'm at. But I've been having some skeletal issues as well as a couple other things that's really yeah, kind of ruin my activities, if you will. So anyways, once again, even though I'd like to record just that much more because I am enjoying my time out here. There's that yellow black butterfly. that's, that's another one. Yeah, he's already cruised off. But they always tend to hang out around this canopy. And oh, see, there it is right there. Just landed, yeah. And yeah, one of those birds up here. And of course we got airplanes circling around again. Maybe we can catch them, huh? Why don't we go ahead and try? And I don't know why I do this, seriously. Oh yeah, okay. So we got this right here. When you see that one? Okay, there's that one there. And then there's another one that's over here flying around. And then we've got, of course, our sky bandits. Unfortunately, everything is at a great distance today. Whether those jet aircraft or what seems to be such, and the small engine airplanes, which, oh yeah, I can hear both of them still. And once again, don't know if I caught them. At least the one I might have, but oh yeah, we are going to go ahead and grab our belongings and end this now. Yeah, they're out circling around, circling around, circling around. Okay, well, that's that, folks. Just another nature content recording as this is about all that there is for me to do today. Man, sure I could find other things to occupy my time, but this has been very pleasurable. And it still smells really good out here with all these flowers. So yeah, another, it's therapy, just overall therapy. Feels good. So, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great one. Skyway's out.